Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, Abian Jafar. Today, I gonna I'm gonna show you how to making game called Fruit Ninja in the Scratch. So for the first, all we need to do is open your Scratch like this. Then go to the Create for making your new project. Today, I'm not using camera because the game of the catching fruit are need some camera access. So today I want to explain the code to you guys and how it will be gonna use. So I'm gonna using backpack in here. So for the first sprite, all we need to put first is the number sprite. So we're gonna put here, and there we are. Okay. So I'm gonna explain for the one green flag click. So one green flag click is for starting the game, and he will gonna go to his position. So the most good position is 0. Go to x0 and y0, and he gonna show up and switch custom to 3. So he has some different custom like 3 and 2 and 1. There are his custom. You can search it in the choose custom in here. In here. Okay. Let's go back. It will be like this. Then you're gonna switch custom to his first custom. The 3 custom. After that, you're gonna repeat 2 times, and you're gonna repeat 2 times for his next custom, and wait 1 second. So this sprite is for counting for when we start the game, and wait 1 second more and the hide the sprite, and we're gonna make the broadcast start broadcast like this. I'm gonna put here. You can screenshot this code. Okay, then we're gonna go to the next sprite. The next sprite is the you win and you lose. So the sprite is just need the when green flag click hide because it will be need if this is show. This sprite is gonna show up in the first backdrop. So all we need to do first is when green flag click hide. Then of course we need a broadcast when I receive you lose. It means you guys have a message that you lose, and this sprite is gonna show up and switch custom to 1 and wait 1 second. So this sprite have a custom. If it's custom, you lose and you win like this. Okay, so like this. So if you lose, we're gonna switch custom to 1, and when we receive win, you're gonna show up in yes. When we receive the message win or you lose, the sprite is gonna show up. Then you're gonna switch custom. So when I receive you win, he gonna switch custom to custom 2, and when I receive you lose, you show up and switch custom to custom 1. And these two code are using wait 1 second. The same, but you need the same, but the difference is the broadcast when I receive and the switch custom. And when I receive you lose, and when I receive you win, turn off the video. Okay, let's go to the next sprite, the banana sprite. We put here. Okay, like this. Okay, this is my face, and maybe I'm using this camera because there's no OBS camera, so it will be like this. So when green flag click, yeah, when green flag click, it's gonna hide because the first thing we need is the first thing that's gonna start is the numbers. But remember, the numbers are giving us the broadcast. So we're gonna need this code and this code. So when green flag click, it must be hide and set the timer. So you can make the time in the variable will be like this and this. And we're gonna make it and we make it large readout and the banana no need. Okay, the banana is, but if you want to make it, yeah, it's up to you. Will be like this. When green flag click, the sprite is gonna hide and we're gonna set the time to 0. Yes, in here. After that, turn video off because when turn video on, we must have the message start from the numbers and set banana to 0. Okay, let's explain this code. Okay, you can screenshot first this code. Yes, this you can screenshot first. Done, and we go to the next code of the banana sprite. Okay, so when RSF start from the numbers, the broadcast of the numbers, broadcast start. So the sprite is gonna show up and my face is gonna show. So turn video on is to make my face is getting show up. Then we make it forever. Forever make the movement. Forever go to X and pick random means 220 and 220. Y means 170. So this code is for making the sprite go anywhere, but the Y is always same 170 in here. Yes, above here. You're gonna go to random position, like maybe go to right or the left, like this. And if you're touching the H, you're gonna switch custom to his first custom, like this. Then this glides for what? This glides is for making the movement. So you can change the fast, the speeds in here. Glide 3 seconds to second to X and pick random by means 22 to 222. Y 170 like this. So if we touching the Y, you're gonna go to the random position. Same like this. Gonna change the random position. Go to the first place where he spawned. Okay, done. And you can screenshot this code in here. You can screenshot. Done. And let's go to the next code of this banana sprite. So when I receive the message from the numbers, start numbers, then we set the time to 60 because because in this Fruit Ninja game we need a time. So if we receive the time like maybe 0, we're gonna lose. So there's are the code. If the time are 0, then we're gonna make the broadcast lose. You lose. Then we're gonna hide the sprite and stop all of the sprite. Then like this, it will be like this. Then yes, forever with one time is for making the time is more raising and wait, make the time more means. Then if the time are 0 like that before, so all we need to do is to make this sprite is getting slash and we get the score. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so when our receive start is to make the game start and set time to 60 is for setting the time. Set the time to make it is first second to 60. Then forever wait to 1 second to make the number are getting means. Change time by means 1. So we wait 1 second and we change the time by means 1. So it's like 60, 59 like that. So go to the next code. If time are 0, then we making the broadcast 0. After that, we're gonna hide the sprite and stop all the sprite. So that's mean this code is for using the time, for making the time and the broadcast. So you can screenshot first this code. I give you 1 second. One, okay, done. And and then we're gonna need this code. So I'm not so I make this your looks more larger. Okay, like this. Yeah. So when I start to make starting the game and show this sprite and forever. If my video, my face on the sprite and the speed is 95, then this sprite is gonna switch custom to the slash custom like this. I'm making the juicy, yes, the yellow because it's look nice for me. Okay, it's gonna switch custom to the slash custom. Then and the slash and there's some effect like yellow things. Then switch custom to 2. It make the banana slash, but there's no effect like this. Okay, like this it will be yeah it will be splash. Then there's some banana juice maybe yeah like yellow effect. Then after that Then after that, it's getting slash. There's no epic again. Then after that, switch custom to bananas 2. Wait. Switch custom to 3. Oh yes, I forgot. Make okay. Okay. Let's look. So okay, I like that. Okay. And the point are racing. Okay, so like that. We play using a face. Like this. There's no effect. Alright. Yes, because the the second is too much short. So maybe later I'm gonna fix it. Wait. Maybe I'm fix it now. What about 1 second? Let's see how the effect is gonna be. Okay, that was too much longer than I expect. So we're gonna change the second maybe 0.6 and this also 0.6. Still 1 second. 0.6. Okay, let's see how it's work, the effect. Okay, wait. Okay, my speeds are maybe that's longer, but maybe we're gonna fix it later. So if these are getting slash, don't forget to use the custom for the effect. So we can make your own custom for the slash. For the sprite, you can searching in the choose a sprite. Just search some banana sprite like that. Okay. Then this gonna set +1 for 1 second. It means you get a score. Then change banana score by 1. So yeah, like before, if I slash this banana, the point will be, yes, will be raising by 1 point. You like that? This. Okay. Go to the next code. If touching the 8, then switch custom to the first custom. So like I said before, it's like reset, and he go to the first spawn, he spawn. Then after that, the next code, if the banana score is 25, then we're gonna make the broadcast you win. Then hide the sprite and stop all the sprite. Okay, it will be like this. Then we're gonna go to the next sprite, the egg and the apple. So the egg and the apple is the example is like the bananas, but we're gonna change we're gonna change a little bit. So if the bananas is there was a time in here. Oh yes, I forgot to show you guys to make a screenshot. So I giving you guys 2 seconds for screenshot this code. Okay, it's done. Then go to the Apple Sprite. Okay. So what is the different about the apple and the banana sprite? In this sprite, we are same, but we are not using the time, and we change little bit of this code. So like the custom, you can duplicate the code of the bananas, and you can search this apple on the just a sprite. So you go to here first. This is still same. Okay, set apple to 0, and we're gonna show the apple variable. Okay, in the middle. Okay, like this. Then we're gonna click hide the sprite. Then set the time to 0 like before, and turn video off. Then yeah, there's no my face, and set the apple score to 0. And go to the next code. It's still same, but I'm changing the speed of the banana and the apple. So the apple are more faster than the banana. Look, the apple are faster more than the banana. So I'm just changing the glide 2. If I using glide 3, so the speed are will be same. You're gonna racing. So I prefer you to use the apple sprite is 2 like this. So I prefer to use the different glides. But for the pick random and the pick random and the go to X is are still same. Just for the glide and the Y position is still normal. 170 like this. Okay, then go to the code for for the slashing code. So when I receive the broadcast start from the numbers, so this apple is gonna show up, and forever if my face hit the apple sprite speed are more than 90. If with the motion on sprite my face is the speed are 95, then switch custom to apple. So you're gonna switch custom to his slash custom like apple tree is just things. Then after that we're gonna wait 0.01 second and start sound for it ninja combo. Then we wait for 0.01 second and say +1 for 1 second. So it will be same, but you in here you just need for switch the custom of your apple slash eh, just need the apple custom the slash custom. Then we need to wait for 0.01 second. So that changed apple by 2. That was the difference about the bananas. So the bananas is just 1. Then if the apple score are means 25, then we're gonna make the broadcast you win and fight the sprite and stop all of the sprite. Okay? Maybe you can screenshot this code. Okay, I'm need. Okay, you can spread. You can copy it. So I need to clean my ear, my TRS. Okay, ear crumb. Okay, done. And when ours if you lose hide this part. Okay, hold B. Okay. Then we making the egg, the egg sprite. So it will be simple like before. I'm gonna click hide the sprite. Then turn video on. Turn your video on. You can. Oh yes. By the way, you can take this code in here in extension in here plus code. Then video sensing. You just here and there's is here. Okay. It will be like this. So like before, when I say start, show and turn video on. So my face are gonna show up and forever go to X and pick random to means 20 to 220. Y means 170. So it's like same. The spawn is like the apple and bananas. But in here the different are the glide. Like before, I'm making the egg are more longer than the apple and the bananas. So will be like this. So the different are just in the glide, but in the pick random, and the Y is still same like the other sprite. And I it is still when going to click hide. So in when the count is when I start the game when I click the green flag this one. So the sprite is gonna hide. It will be like that how it's working. So like this. When we start, switch custom to 8A. So his first custom is 8A, and he's gonna show up the when we receive the start broadcast from the numbers. Then after he show up, and we gonna go is forever. And if my speed of my face speed are more than if my face speed are 95, then we're gonna switch custom to 8B. It's gonna slash then broadcast you lose. Hide and stop all. You can adding your wait 1 second for maybe we're just gonna make 0.7. Okay, you can add wait maybe for some effect. Then we're gonna make the broadcast you lose and hide and stop all. So it's working like the time. We're gonna use the broadcast you lose, but this time if we slashing the egg we gonna lose. So the before is time and now is if we slashing the egg. Okay. Now I will show you how we play this game. Okay. So for the first time, it will be count. So if I select this, I get the point for apple 2. And I select banana. Wait, I okay. Before I touch the egg, okay. If I slice the banana, wait, I slice the banana, I get 1 point from the banana. If I slice the egg, I lose. I lose. Okay. Okay. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this tutorial are use for your future. Maybe you want to making a game or what. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.